quick reading for January the 27th to the 28th Taurus. We have the Ten of Cups, the Sun, and the King of Swords. After all ng ating pag-iintay, so eto na, nakikita na natin yung kaayusan, nakikita na natin dito yung warmth ni person, no? Well, our person might be a little or had a shortcomings, no? Ito mga nakaraang araw. Kasi with the Ten of Cups, I feel like eto ngayon si person medyo ibibigay, no? Itong mga pangangailangan natin, whether this is pangangailangan sa bahay, sa katawan, sa bed, no? What I am seeing in here is nandito yung exchange, no? Or banters of energy. And I feel like ito yung mga days na ipapakita ni person how important you are, gaano din sila nagsisisi, no, sa kanilang mga nagawa. With the Ten of Cups in here, it felt like medyo marami dito mga plans na that might going to show up, and it felt like these plans are sincere and tototohanin, no? So this is your quick reading for Taurus for January 27 to the 28th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye.